I know a day is gonna come. I know a day is gonna find you when bells will ring, sweet as things. I know a day is gonna come. I know a day is gonna come. I know that promise will come. I know that promise will come. I know that promise it will find you. The truth will bring sweet as things. I know that promise.
Welcome. I'm so excited today because I am getting to speak with the fabulous Isabella Price. And let me tell you a little bit about Isabella. She's an amazing woman here in Ajijic. She's an international speaker, an educator, and she's the author of a beautiful, beautiful book. It's called Goddess Power: Awakening the Wisdom of the Divine Feminine in Your Life. I'm so happy to introduce you to her and learn about goddesses. Like Isabella, welcome.
Thank you, dear Wendy. What a lovely introduction.
So I am really eager to hear your talk. First place, how did you get to specialize in that topic?
Yeah, I think this really is a very good question, because when I was still living in Switzerland, that wasn't even in my awareness. I had to move to California, late flower power type of cultural blossoming, to really get a book into my hands that was called The Once and Future Goddess when I was teaching at the California College of the Arts. And so I read that book and it opened up a whole new door to me. And I'm like, wow, something in me got ignited. Also in California, I heard about that woman saint from India, also known as the hugging saint Amachi, and went to visit her at her ashram, which was nearby our home, in 2004, and got my first hug, and then kept going back because I really felt that something in me shifted. It was very transformative to just be in her healing presence, and we all have a lot of healing to do. And she made me more attuned to the heart of the sacred feminine, to literally gobble up every single book about the sacred feminine I could get my hands on. That patriarchal organized religions has completely left her out of the equation. Tradition, of the goddess, one sentence, and the rest was all written from a very patriarchal perspective, let's face it. And I just felt, no, I need to change that. I need to honor her, and she's coming back. I really feel she's making a reemergence. Her energies at work as we are going through these dramatic changes, in our evolution as humanity. So I feel that she needs to be honored, brought forward, and we are going to celebrate her soon in a workshop I will be offering live here in Ajijic.
I'm so excited about that. And can you give us just a little peek of, or an idea of what people can expect when they come to the Sacred Sexual Music Festival at the Villa del Angel, Villa del Onel, on April 16th?
Yes.
What can people expect to?
Well, let's say they can expect going to pick some juicy archetypes, that I'm going to present, and that hopefully will perhaps shift, some of our perception and really give us some inspirations here. And again, so look at some of these archetypes, and I can give a little bit perhaps of a cultural context, about women's sexualities, women's bodies then and now, the core of what we are, celebrating, when we all gather for this wonderful festival.
Fabulous. I'm so looking forward to experiencing you, Isabella. How do you feel about Ajijic and this kind of festival coming to Ajijic for the first time?
I'm super excited about that. I think it's a beautiful offering, and I can totally see actually how it fits in here, in our community. Enjoys to really dive in and explore this very important topic on a deeper level. Because as we're moving into the new earth paradigm, I think that this topic of sacred sexuality will be a big one, because there is still healing that needs to happen, when it comes to our bodies, and the wounding we've had, the trauma we may have experienced, or some of us, when it comes to sexuality. So it's a very, very important and timely contribution. Part of our community really is ready for it and will fully embrace it. Certainly, I count myself in, and I'm super excited that you're offering that, Wendy. I just want to honor and acknowledge you for putting it all together.
Thank you. I was told to do this on some level, and I'm so delighted and happy for all you've done. I thank you so much, Isabella, for really, contributing the book that you've written and devoting your life to women and women's spirituality and women's power. Thank you. Thank you for all you've done. You're a beautiful goddess yourself, so it's no surprise that you wrote a book about goddesses.
So are you, my dear.
Isabella Price, come to the Sacred Sexual Music Festival on April 16th at the Villa del Anel here in Ajijic. See you then.
See you then. Looking forward to it. Bye, everybody.
I know a day is gonna come. I know a day